welcome back to my channel. And there's an update from the UK Immigration Home Office because of the lockdown. I'm sure a lot of us, we have our visa probably is about to expire or has expired, and the UK Home Office has come up with an update that if your visa is expiring, they are going to provide visa extension till the end of 2020, and you can also request for the Home Office to replace your visa by providing a 30 days visa to travel to the UK for work, study, or to join your family. There's a great news here because you can request a replacement visa with revised validity date free of charge until the end of this year.